Go. You first.
We're going to sing Killing Me Softly
Yeah.
by, I don't know,
By who?
by Evian and Camille. And Meow Meow.
Meow meow.
Game.
Go.
Ako lang.
Strumming my pain with his fingers. Ulit.
Take two.
Take two, take two. Strumming my pain with his fingers. Singing my life with his words.
Killing me softly with his song. Killing me softly with his song.
Selling my whole life with his words. Killing me softly with his song. With meow meow turn.
Give way to Meow Meow.
Give way.
Okay, Meow Meow. I heard he sang a good song. I heard he had a time.
Yeah, yeah.
So I came to see him, listen for a while. And there he was, this young boy, stranger to my eyes, strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, telling me softly.
Hey, that's
Telling my whole life, but his words telling me softly with his song.
Yeah.
I felt a flash with heaven, embarrassed by the crowd. I felt he found the letters of red, each one of love. But finish, but he just get right
The pen with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly
with his song, telling my whole life, with his words, killing me softly,
softly
with his song. Okay, Meow Meow, go. Dapat pala dito. Meow Meow featuring Camille
and then he looked right from me as if I wasn't there.
and he just kept on singing, singing clear and strong, strong in my
Playing
face
with his fingers, singing my life with his words,
killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. Okay na?
na tayo.
La 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 la. La la la. Strumming my pen with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. Wow, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
To all our supporters, thank you.
Supporters. Yeah. To all our fans out there,
Yeah,
thank you so
fans.
much for
Thank you.
subscribing and
Yeah.
for
For
donating.
this video is all about the Christ Church.
And
like
there's been a mistake.
something.
It's not Evian and Camille featuring Meow
Yeah.
Meow. The
It's
title
Meow
is
Meow.
Challenge Me Softly
Bye.
by Meow Meow
Meow
featuring
Meow.
Evian and Camille.
Comment.
And Evian and Camille.
Comment. Yeah.
And this is Meow Meow.
Meow meow or chune.
Chune. Chune for short.
Or chane. Chane.
Hey, shut up.
Okay.
That's all for tonight. Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Be happy, okay?
Don't forget to brush your teeth. and don't forget to take a shower every day.
Yeah. And then don't forget to,
Forget na.
don't forget
Don't forget to forget. Okay.
to put some deodorant, okay? Most important to all my nothing.
You're pertaining to? Who are you talking about?
I'm talking
No,
about
nothing.
nothing.
No one.
No one.
No one.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.